Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore renter's insurance coverage with Lemonade detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your renter's insurance coverage with Lemonade, first, open the Lemonade app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Policies section of your dashboard. Locate the policy you wish to restore. Click on the policy to view its details. If your coverage has lapsed, look for the option to restore or reactivate your policy. Follow the prompts provided to initiate the restoration process. You may be asked to review your coverage details and limits. Make any necessary adjustments based on your current needs. Once you confirm your choices, move to the Payments section. Ensure your payment method is up to date to avoid any processing issues. Submit your payment to finalize the restoration of your coverage. After processing, you will receive a confirmation notification. Review your restored policy to ensure all details are correct. If you have any questions or require assistance, reach out to Lemonade's support team. Your renter's insurance coverage should now be active and ready to protect your belongings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.